When you combine the power of public cloud and the advantages you have in the private cloud, what you get is a hybrid cloud. In this video, let's learn about the advantages or characteristics of hybrid cloud environment. Resource location. It clearly means that there are certain specific resources that will run in public cloud and other dependent resources that will run in your private cloud infrastructure. Cost and efficiency. Hybrid cloud models will allow an organization to leverage some of the benefits of cost, efficiency, and scale that are available in public cloud models. So you can take advantage of both private and public. Control. Your organization will retain most of the management controls because you also have your infrastructure running in private cloud. Skills. Keep in mind that your organization will need considerable amount of technical skills to create, build, manage, and maintain the hybrid cloud environment. Because now you have infrastructure to maintain in private cloud, as well as the integration components with the public cloud must be maintained by your technical team members.